Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little church with sweet chiming bells. It was Christmas Eve, and the children were on their way to the church. They were taking some offerings to place before the infant Jesus. Colin and Glenn were two brothers. They too were on their way to the church. They each had only one silver coin to place before the crib. Their parents were poor. As they came around the corner of the road, an old man in ragged clothes came up to them, shivering in the cold. "Can you give me something? I am a poor man. I have no money. I want to buy a hot cup of tea," he asked them. The two boys felt very sorry for him. They put their hands into their pockets and each gave him his silver coin. "God bless you," said the man as he went away. When Colin and Glenn reached the church, they saw the other children placing their gifts before the infant Jesus. They felt sad for they had nothing to offer. Yet they put their hands into their pockets. To their great surprise, they found that their pockets were full of coins. As they placed 2 silver coins at the crib, the church bells chimed. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling. Their hearts were singing too. They went home with their pockets full of silver coins. They had a wonderful Christmas. "I'm sure that man was Santa Claus," said Colin. "I too think so," said Glenn. Mummy smiled. "Maybe next Christmas you will meet him again." A generous heart, not riches, will earn a heavenly reward. This Christmas, let's all have a generous heart. Let's all give to the poor with a happy, smiling, and a beautiful heart. Christmas means Christ. Without Christ, it is not Christmas. So, let Jesus, who is the reason for the season, be our joy and happiness. Let us share this joy and happiness with everybody, the poor, the people who do not know about Him. Let's share the word. Here are the meanings of some of the words from the story. I hope you all enjoyed learning, reading, and listening to this beautiful story. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share with everyone. Thank you.